What's going on everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a hot minute since I've uploaded a video. If you guys have been keeping up with current events, Houston here had a huge ice storm that, well, basically nobody was prepared for. The pipes at my shop froze and bursted. Basically just brought down the whole ceiling of my office, and we've been dealing with that for over a week now. I've been trying to get a plumber out, a contractor out to like take a look at all the damages, assess all the damages, see what insurance will and won't cover. But that is not why we're here today. Well, obviously we're not in my shop. We are here at Mark's shop, or his new shop, not Century Transmission. We are here at Garage Guys Automotive out here in Richmond, Texas. Mark got a new job out here a few years ago, or a year ago, I don't remember. It's been a while. What we are doing here today is we are installing some coilovers on a CRX that, if you guys have been following my Instagram, I had a few years back that I never actually got into, that I sold to one of Mark's buddies. And yeah, let me go ahead and show you the coilovers. All right, and here they are, MaXpeedingRods coilovers that they sent us to install on our CRX. There you go. Very nice, very good looking coilovers. So you got your forwards, your two fronts, your rears, you got some spanner wrenches, brochure, I guess, I don't know, maybe some warranty cards, yada yada yada. Anyway, so there are your basic coilovers. We are going to go ahead and get the CRX up in the air, take off the old stuff, put on the new stuff, and yeah, let's see how this goes.
It's not bad at all.
So we still don't know the spring rate over it?
No, we don't. We'll figure it out.
Okay, so what you first want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and preload the coilover, since it is a 7-inch spring and this is a double wishbone style coilover, not a McPherson. You're going to want to go ahead and bring it up 1/8 of an inch. So we're just going to go ahead right here, already unlock, and then get a tape measure.
Professional too. Here.
Right there, 7 inches. So we're just going to go ahead and bring it up to 6 and whatever 1/8 is.
Right there, that's an 1/8. So literally just like from 7 to 7.
Very, very little.
6 to 7/8.
Very, very little.
That'd be a fun blooper. Like we're trying to shoot a video, like you hear in the background, you beep, you beep, beep. You keep like resetting. Finally, you're like, shut the fuck up. 6 and 4/8. So just let me make sure. Ooh. It's a lot easier to do in the car.
Almost need the rears on it.
It's much easier with more people.
Yeah.
No wonder TJ has a whole fucking crew.
There's a whole squad.
So what are we going to do first here?
No card.
We're going to undo the lower control arm bolts, and then we're gonna knock it loose, and then we're also replacing the axles while we're here too. And just
Why not?
Why not? It's here. He's got them.
Make sure it's safe on the track.
Yeah, exactly. So we're gonna go ahead and pop these loose, pop this off, swing it over, and pop out our long axle.
Garage.
There was no castle nut here, by the way. Or not castle, there was no
Cotter pin.
There's no cotter pin in
Yeah,
it.
I saw that.
That's Jake, everyone. Say hi, Jake. You're on the YouTubes.
Hi. He wants a glove sponsorship.
Orange Glove Company, can you please sponsor us? telling me about earlier? No, my fancy schmancy tool's been defeated by space.
It's not meant for old cars.
It's clearly not. Here we go. Sorry, I'll make it fucking work. I bought it, I want to use it.
Right tools for the right job.
Which we're not used to. Brad, I might have destroyed your ball joint. Possibly. Possibly. Well, we touched on that first, shouldn't we?
Fuck that. Fuck that. I was like, oh my god.
I'm sorry.
Dude, it's not. I can't get a gun on this.
You got this in there?
What? What size is that?
It's 24.
Oh, I don't know.
Get on my little.
But my snap-on gun is better.
We need a blooper. We need a blooper.
Am I on it?
Hold on.
Hold on to what?
Hold on to the tool.
He scares me, you know. Is it gonna blow off?
It'll pop off. Keep going. God dang, Jake.
Snap-on gun is it works. I was wondering what a clacking was. There you go. Got it. What? Oh, no.
Ball joint's seen better days.
Well, it's off.
Hey, as
That's
long
all.
as it goes back on, we're good.
Yeah.
It's not going back on. It's not going back on, dude.
Yeah.
Okay, Brad, this one though, we're gonna have to hold that one.
So yes,
Damn.
this is why we were replacing the axles.
Yep.
He's like, I gotta finish beating you first.
Here you go.
I know what Brad means now. It's like,
Oh shit. You want the new one and the old one next to each other? Or what?
So yeah,
I'm gonna shoot you at the right sides though.
That's the right side. Looks like something.
Oh no! Brad's axle.
there we go.
Yeah. Too late.
Wait, were those actually yours the whole time?
Yes, they were actually mine the whole time. I know, I'm sorry. Look, Brad is grooved.
Ah, it's, you got my hand.
Oh, this doesn't have the thing.
Apparently not.
Wait, yeah, it does. It's got a line right here.
It's still gonna be. You're still gonna hit
I
that.
wonder what those are for.
I have no idea.
Maybe they're just sleeves, like if you need to go to a bigger size.
Oh, okay.
There's a bolt.
Well, he doesn't need it, so
Yeah.
What?
the sleeves.
So you sure that's the right side there, Jake?
Oh,
I mean, it went on.
No, I meant for the bracket though.
It rotates.
You could rotate it.
Okay, cool.
But is it the right side?
Wait, undo the top photo.
It's not going up.
Yeah, what the?
Here, Brad, can guide it up top, and I'll put on my nuts.
Fucking Andre the Giant is.
So, we'll need to let it all rest.
You know where this shit is. I'll drive then. Drive your car. Drive your truck. And I'll still be there. Neighbor.
All right. So we got the rears in. Went in super smoothly.
Sorry.
That's him. That's him.
One more warning. One more. Alright, done.
All right. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and finish up the other sides and then get it down, adjust it, and go from there. All right. So we ran into a slight problem with the axles that he got.
Thanks, Rock Auto.
Thanks, Rock Auto. So they are much bigger than the factory one, so they won't fit through the spline. So we won't be able to do a test drive tonight because it is pretty late, and yeah, we can't get another one. So we're gonna go ahead and put it back together first, and then get it on the ground, try to adjust it, and then go from there.
Good.
Ooh, not bad, not bad.
It's actually pretty, for us doing it, it's pretty even.
Yeah.
It's a little high in the back.
Not too bad. So yeah, gonna have to adjust it a little bit. As we said, the axle's broken, so we can't take it for a test drive on this video. So I think we're gonna end it here. Stay tuned for part 2, and until next time, guys, later.